Lash babes. Welcome to Lash with me, where I bring you along so that you can watch me lash. So today I'm doing a different type of video. I'm vlogging my 15-hour workday, and here you will just see me lash everybody. I'll stop time from time to talk about a few things, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy. So let's get started. Alright guys, I did want to talk about your clients. They get too antsy and they can't really sit still. It does make the job super hard for you. So I did feel like I struggled on this mega volume set, and especially being a mega volume set, I feel like it does take 3 hours. So this one did run into like the 3 hour and 10-minute mark, but we got through it. They looked super beautiful. Also, it's not her fault. You could suggest if they want to take a break or go to the bathroom, drink some water, like maybe they just had too much caffeine that morning. And also she did share a really bad experience that she had with the lash tech. So I tried to make her as comfortable as I could. I put on some good jams, and towards the end it did get better. So I'm just explaining to you guys how my first client went. So after her, I did clean up and I got ready for the next client, as you see me doing that here. And I'm showing you guys the lash set that I was able to accomplish. Even though she moved around a lot, it was fine. We made them look beautiful, so that is what I'm showing you. Hopefully, I forgot I had music in the background. But what I just was talking about is that I had a client, she was moving a lot, she was very antsy, which, I mean, it's fine, like, that happens. So I feel like it was a tough set. But yeah, I just showed you the picture of the set that I did on her. It looked really pretty. Right now I'm gonna just clean up, get ready for the next client, and the next one's a hybrid fill. I do have a 15-hour day today. You heard that right. 15 hours. I want to cry. Okay, talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, my second client got here, and we like to talk and have a lot of fun. And I mean, we gossip. That's what girls do, especially if you are like so in such an intimate setting with somebody, like really up close in their bubble. Like you guys talk, you laugh, and all kinds of good stuff. I look like crap these days, so please ignore that. I'm showing you guys here the tweezer protector that I have on my website if you want to go check that out. I'm showing you how it works. It's called I will never let you go. So yeah, it just saves your tweezers. If you're somebody that constantly drops your tweezers, you're clumsy as I am, you need this in your life, trust me. Alright, my next client, we did a hybrid fill. No, a mega volume fill, and here I'm just cleaning her eyelashes. I do still use the sterile water to cleanse, and then I just go ahead and apply a little bit of primer from Lashbox LA, and then I dry with my fan. A lot of you guys wonder where I get my fan from. I wouldn't recommend it. I don't like it, so yeah. And I do see a lot of your guys' rooms that are super light and pretty and very neutral. I just stick to black and white. I feel like I like to make my space very like calming, and I know you might think black isn't that calming, but I will be inserting a photo on my clients while as I'm doing their lashes, and I'm very happy with this room. I just have a few lights going on, and so I'm sorry if the video looks a little bit dark, but that is just because I like to keep it really dark, to be honest. Alright, so that set that I just showed you guys, I'm trying to get a good lighting. That set that I just showed you guys was my third client, so waiting for number 4, but my husband brought me something to eat, so I need to eat something. I mean, nothing special, but I didn't make lunch, so he brought me a sandwich, some chips, and this is like my favorite sparkling water right now. And it is sparkling ice coconut pineapple. So delicious. So I'm gonna eat this real quick. I'm gonna clean really fast. Set up my area for the next girl. And then, yeah, I will see you guys later. I look like crap today. Alright, so Alexa, pause. So I just got done eating and I'm ready, waiting for my client. But yeah, so I guess I'll mention a few things right now while we're waiting. This is a light from Amazon. I did used to use that ring light, but right now I use it only for videos. This one you can adjust the little bars, like you can have one. You know what, I've never used it like that. Maybe I'll try it today. But you can open it up and it just gives you more lighting. Yeah, and then these are dental bibs. This one right here, it's just what I did right now. Yeah, so I just take a lot of pictures to try to see what angle I like better. And then I also I tried to take this one. I like how it looks like that, but no, but that one wasn't brushed enough. Yeah, so what else can I let you guys know? The tape that I'm using is my tape. It's the pink one. It works really well. Very surprised by it. Very happy with that. So right now, today, I feel like it's really hot outside, so today I have been using Glue Aid. This is Lash Box, and then to seal the lashes I use the LA Bond. Earlier I showed a clip of me wearing this little bracelet. Has a cute little eye charm, and that is what I use to save my tweezers life. And the tweezers I use, they're a little wet from alcohol, are the isolation. These are for isolation, and these are she's got curves because it's curvy. And then these are my volume tweezers. Super love them. A few of you guys were asking, maybe 2, were asking about this fan. I don't like it because it sounds really loud, like a lawnmower. Listen. Wait. I mean, it doesn't sound like a lawnmower. Now that I hear it, it sounds like a hairdryer, but I don't like it. And the air only comes around in this hole, which is cool, like a nice concept, but I don't like it. but pretty much I have this set up. I have that more for comfort. I have an angle pillow. Let me show you. So everybody loves this pillow. I'm always asked where I get it. It's from Amazon, and I did saran wrap it to keep it pretty, but I'm gonna have to somehow wash it because somebody kind of ripped it up, you know, but that's fine. But yeah, just right now with all this COVID thing, I like to wipe it down and not set a blanket out for them. I do keep wrap around my handles. Alright guys, so I guess I will see you in a little bit. I'll try to film some more. Well, as some of you guys know, I do have another full-time job and it kicks my butt. Physical, so my body's tired. I was pretty sleepy right before I ate lunch, and I think that's why I was like low energy, but I'm pretty good now. I think I'm good. I have 3 more to go, so yeah, let's get to lashing. It got cold, so I don't want a jacket. I always keep this here just in case, because I do get very cold easily. Alright, so my next client is here. I love her. We always have so much fun. I seriously love all my clients. I'm not just saying that because I'm saying that. I just love them all. They all are different and we have so much fun. So she drives really far from work, so she does usually fall asleep. I just go ahead and apply the pads and then tape her down, and then we just get to talking. Like, you shouldn't talk too much, but if you know that they're gonna take a nap, then it's fine. I feel like you should do your talking when you're applying, you know, your sanitizer, when you're washing your hands, when you're taping them down, when you're cleansing their lashes and getting them prepped. That is the time to do all the talking, and then you can kind of just tone down your voice and, you know, try to put that music on to soothe them to like chill and just nap. So she does like more of a soft volume look, so that is what we do. I don't know if I mentioned before, but I don't really like to do hybrids. I do my own thing where I make my own classic lashes out of fans. If you want a video on that, like the video so that I know. But right here I'm just banana peeling all the old ones and all the ones that are too outgrown. I have not seen her for about 3 weeks. Could be a little more, I can't remember, but yeah, so we're just prepping and getting her all ready. moving on to client number 5. I love this lady as well. She is really good to talk to. I love our conversations. We always have something to talk about. And yeah, so here I'm just doing a hybrid fill. Like I said, I don't like to do classic lashes, so I go with the very, very soft volume. And she has recently asked for a little bit more volume, so it's almost like a soft volume, a very short volume set is what I would call this one. So just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, and now my last client of the day. Finally, I love my job. I love everything I do, and I would not change it or exchange it or go back and, you know, quit when I was struggling. Like, all of that was worth being exactly where I am today. And I'm so fortunate that I get so many nice, wonderful clients, because I know a lot of you guys say in the Lash group that, you know, you just have some horrible clients. And it's so sad, because women just shouldn't be like that. And I know there's a lot of nasty people out there, but I'm here to tell you, like, don't give up. Also, just keep doing what you're doing. As long as you are doing everything right, everything in your power to know that you're doing the right thing, you're following all the rules, nobody else should bring you down. Like, you shouldn't just listen to that negativity. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot different. There was no up close personal there was no up close personal shots, but I hope you enjoyed a little bit of my life in a day as a lash tech. So I'm gonna insert pictures of her set right here. They come out beautiful. They came out beautiful. I love the way her sets come out all the time. And if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe to watch more content like this. There will be more lash videos really soon. And let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below, because I would love to hear your suggestions. So thanks for watching, and go join the Facebook group, Really Pretty Lashes, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. My client is so sweet. She always brings me something, and this is a pink drink that she got me. So sweet. I really don't expect anything from anybody, so it's just so cute, and I appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully you guys appreciate your clients as you should.